Everybody, we're Dane and Cindy, and we're from Midlife Travel Tales.
Today we're going to show you some Sky Bar that we went to, as well as a
Sunday market.
The Sky Bar now that we chose to go to was a more casual one. We were looking for something where we didn't have to dress up because it's very hot, so to wear jeans and closed shoes was not a thing for us. So we chose the Rembrandt Hotel.
It was really nice. And then we also went to a Sunday market, and we're not market kind of people, but we really enjoyed it. What was the name? Chatuchak Sunday market. And then at the end of the video, we go on a journey to find Bangkok's Big Buddha. Top bar in Bangkok. It looks like there's a storm rolling in. This looks lovely. We'll keep looking out because we want to see the sunset. There's the bar. The bar's operating really nicely, yeah. And there it is, yeah. Goes off the side. There are some of the lights coming on in the distance there. This is Bangkok by night. It's about 5:30. Just beautiful. The rooftop bar. The Rembrandt Hotel. You can hear the storm coming in. There's the storm coming in. Wow. This is going to be great. Here we are. It's the monsoon came through as we were watching the sunset, but we caught the end with the lights coming on. It's just beautiful. It's still drizzling slightly, but I'm out here just so you guys can see how beautiful Bangkok is at night. The river's down there in front of us, shimmering. And it's just a beautiful evening. And there's Cindy enjoying the happy hour cocktail, and I'm having our happy hour beer. We'll have probably one more, and then we'll head out and go and get some supper. Have a great evening. Last look at Bangkok by night. How blessed are we? Wow. Lights. There's even a bit of lightning going in the background. A bit of rain. Okay. God bless. Sunday morning. And we're at the Chatuchak Weekend Market. It's packed, there's people everywhere. So we're going to wander through and see what the Chatuchak world famous market is about. Here we are at Chatuchak. There's just people and market and stuff and shoes. Cindy's in heaven here because she loves shoes. So every shoe place she kind of stops and has a look at the shoes. So we just keep on wandering through. Still at Chatuchak Market, and here there's just some, look at all the masks in this antique shop. There we go. You're into all the kind of masks and heads and Buddhas, and it's quite interesting. Looks like it's some form of antique shop. And there's a nice one there. Sure, incredible. Here we are in Chatuchak. We didn't feel like a big meal, but we've ordered some spring rolls. So we're going to get some spring rolls here just for lunch. Enjoy it.
50 baht.
Only 50 baht. So it's really cheap, quite enjoyable. Enjoy it. So Mani, how are you enjoying lunch?
Very nice.
We got
some spring rolls, and then we got
pork and chicken on a stick.
Pork and then chicken.
And tell me, how have you enjoyed the market so far?
Way better than what I expected, and very actually cool inside the market itself.
Yeah, it's definitely, as you're walking along the aisles, it feels like there's aircon in the actual market itself.
And also there is just so much. I think it's actually the largest market in Bangkok, and too, you can really pick up some very good bargains. Some of the things I've seen elsewhere are like half the price here at this market.
Yeah, we bought stuff elsewhere in like Phuket and Koh Samui and that, and here it is literally, sometimes it's a third of the price.
Yeah.
And but we've decided we're going to come back here before we leave Thailand and buy quite a bit of stuff and send it in a box back to South Africa. So.
Definitely. There's so much stuff to buy.
But it's been way better than we thought because we're not really market people. But this is amazing.
Markets are not my thing, but I must say this market I've really enjoyed.
Yeah, it's been great. It's been great.
Very great.
So we are about to catch the MRT, which is the Underground. Usually we've been catching the BTS, which is the Sky Train. But we're catching the MRT because we're trying to get to another area in Bangkok to show you guys something. So this is quite nice, very easy to understand. People are very helpful. So the Underground, the BTS, is an extremely easy way to get around Bangkok as well. So we've just arrived at the beginning of where we can start seeing the Big Buddha, and here in Bangkok. And we just left the Ta Phra MRT. We've had to walk about 15 minutes, 15 minutes. We're going to carry on walking, try and find our way to the base of it. But it's already absolutely huge, even from here. Here we are on the actual bridge, and there's a whole busy canal here. And there is Big Buddha peeping at us over there. Absolutely beautiful here. There's a very local area, very interesting area. So we finally arrived here in front of the Buddha. He is absolutely huge. He's even bigger than the Big Buddha in Phuket, the one on Koh Samui. He is massive. So very impressive. Wow. So we did quite a bit of a walk. It is really worth it, going through a real traditional part of the town. And but it's, wow, Big Buddha's hugely impressive. So here we are at the back of the Buddha. We're walking, trying to find our way back to the Sky Train, the MRT, and we found a whole other complex here. There's another smaller, biggish Buddha, a reclining Buddha, but the thing that struck me most was this lovely canal and all the beautiful homes and that along here.
Hi everyone, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for supporting our channel.